Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a little bit of an Amazon unboxing today. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome, my name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe if you're not already. It's free, there's no cost to you. If you like a come shop with me, haul, too good to go bag occasionally, grocery haul, all that kind of stuff. As I said, it's free, there's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload. First off, sorry if the lighting and stuff is a bit funny. I don't know, it is 7:30 or something and it is March and I thought it was going to be lighter. But I don't know why I'm thinking that. But anyway, yeah, if it looks a bit grainy, soz. But yeah, let's get on into the unboxing today from Amazon. Now, I ordered a few things. I wanted to order some more, but if I order Amazon, I tend to order it so it goes to an Amazon locker. I love an Amazon locker, I do. And there is two near me. They're literally next to each other practically. I mean, like within a couple of 100 meters. And the amount of stuff I had in my basket, they wouldn't ship all of it because it said it was full, like the Amazon locker, but would ship some of the stuff. And then when you try to split it out between two of them, and I even tried to split it out to other Amazon lockers around me, it wouldn't let me do it. So in the end, I had something sent to my parents, which was a tiny thing which I knew would go through the letterbox, and the other stuff sent to the Amazon locker, which they managed to put in an Amazon box, which was all from different sellers, I think, but the fulfillment centers from Amazon, I always click on the side free delivery, and which normally means it's from an Amazon fulfillment center or something like that. And then yeah, but as I said, let's go on into it before I talk your back legs off, is that a phrase? We got a box, as I said. So this stuff came yesterday, but I picked it up today, I believe, and it's a bit of a random assortment of things. Like, first off, we've got this which I ordered some carabiner clips. They came in like a jiffy bag, non-Amazon branded, because they're obviously not from Amazon, they're from a seller on Amazon. And I ordered, I think there were 5 of these, and I think they came to like under £2 or £2 something. I maybe wanted some that are a bit smaller. Can you see? There we go. And they are, you know, like just a small version. What am I doing? A small version of a carabiner clip, basically. Is that what they've got written on the 5D shaped coloured carabiner clips? Yeah, and they've got several different colours in there. Now, what I ordered these for will come a bit more apparent in a moment when I show you one of the things. So I am going to put that there. Next thing I ordered, which came in this box, which is a bit battered, is a multifunction cleaning pen. I thought it might be bigger than this. Let's open it. Now, I bought this to like clean headphones with and AirPods with and stuff. Comes like this. Is there instructions or anything? Deep cleaning, multi-purpose, something design, safety material. Right. They're just open. Is there 2 of them? Is there 2? That's interesting. It's like 2 pens, but they're like attached. Okay, so this cleans the inside of AirPod cases. And then this has a scraper. I know this is running content, right? Has a scraper thing. I promise there's more, there's some other cleaning bits in here, but like that. But yeah, that's the thing to clean the bit of the headphone, and then you've got like a brush thing there. Now, hopefully they'll be okay and don't like scratch anything. But I do use sometimes a needle and things. This lighting is really not great, is it? Soz, but it's just like a little extra video this. So yes, ordered those. I don't think that costs more than £3, if that. Now, the next thing I ordered, I only wanted one, which is this, which I'll explain in a moment. But I had to order not 1, not 2, but 3, because apparently there was a minimum order on this. And I wanted this, basically. It is, now it says it's a Pet Plus upholstery brush. But I thought these were going to be hard. I might, this is, I suppose I could use that. Basically, it says non-scratch rubber bristles. I've seen, I think it was a TikTok thing, but I have seen, I was just searching for it online. I've just realised something on my bed looks really weird. Anyway, this like, it's metal, and you do that and it can like really deep clean your carpet, because to be honest, the vacuum cleaner Hoover that I have doesn't really deep clean that well, and I really want to deep clean my carpet, so I thought something like this might be good. Can I just pull it out, do you think? No, it's attached. And it says it's ideal for cleaning pet beds, and like getting out hair and stuff. Deep cleaning fibre rust removes small fibres, and squeezy feature for hard to reach areas. So I thought that was quite good. It's from Beld Ray, which is quite a good make. And I am interested in getting one of their automatic, you know, it's an electric scrubber brush, which I am interested in getting. Let me know if you've got one, or one kind of sort from them. But yeah, I wanted this for the carpet basically, to try and clean it properly. But I ended up with 3 of them, and I just whacked my head in my face, whacked my head with it. But yeah, I ended up with 3. I don't want 3, but it said, I didn't know there was a minimum order when I added it to my basket. When I got to checkout, it said, and I got to the point just before paying where you have to select where you want it to go, and it said it doesn't meet the minimum requirement. And at first it said needed 2, so I added 2. Then it said needed 3, so I added 3. So I don't know whether that's a scam to get you to buy more stuff, but there you go, I fell for it. But it wasn't more than £2 anyway, so that is £6 for brushes. But oh well, it's happened now. And then the last thing is in here. I thought it was going to be in a bag, but actually it's in a little jiffy bag. That's quite good. Right, this is quite, I think this is a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Right, it's not a wallet or anything, however it kind of looks like one, and I think you can kind of use it as one. So much packaging, and it looks very much like a wallet actually. This is a key holder. Now, oh, it's got red on, oh no, that just came off. I think it is leather, but I wanted this. Now, this is why I ordered some carabiner clips. It has got a carabiner, you see, I'm not doing that right, carabiner clip there, but that's on the outside. I really wanted that inside, because I bought this because for my birthday, I'm getting a new wallet, which is going to be quite a nice wallet, and I don't want to scratch it. And I have in the past, when I've gone to like London or something, I've used a new wallet, which was a Fossil one. It was £14, so it wasn't too bad in terms of price, but it's like smooth leather. And I put it in my bag, and my keys were just in there as well, and my keys scratched it up like after the first use. So I don't want that happening with the new wallet I'm going to be getting for my birthday. So that's why I ordered this. It's really nice actually, in terms of, feels nice quality and stuff. It was between £6 and £7, so not too bad. But it is a key holder, so you open it up, take out the packaging, and you have like, I think that's 6 ring key holder there, which you could attach individual keys. I'm not going to do that. And it also has this on here, so you can attach keys onto this chain bit, and also has like a fob here to attach keys as well. What I want to do, because actually thinking about it, all I'm going to do is probably get one of these carabiner clips, which are quite massive, but it will fit in here, so that is fine. Attach it to here, put my keys in here, and this is all it opens up to. Can you see? It doesn't open up any further than that. Put the clip on my keys basically, and then just fold it. I am probably, ooh, okay. Basically, I just want something to store my keys in so they don't scratch my wallet. This is really annoying. I suppose you can attach it into your bag, I suppose. But yeah, I don't, that is quite annoying. You can do that. I suppose you don't really ever need to fold it out all the way like this. And even without the carabiner clip, I could just put the keys in there like that. I'm not planning on putting my car key in here because, one, it doesn't look like it's going to fit. and with my car key, it's one of those that you can fold in on yourself anyway, so it's not gonna, it's already got that inbuilt scratch protection, so that just doesn't matter in that sense. However, with my actual keys for like my house and stuff, I am going to put them on this so they're easy detachable, and then put them in here, and then they will lie quite flat. So yeah, it's not, I am seeing a flaw in it in terms of like, if you've got it all the way zipped down, it's like, it doesn't close very easily. However, if you just do that, then it is easier to close, and I suppose you don't ever really need to open it that fully. You could, if you wanted to, attach your keys individually to this, and it's got a very tight like thing to attach them on. I won't do that. As I said, I've got a carabiner clip on here now. I'm just going to attach them to that, put them in here, zip this up. Oh, that's quite stiff zip around the corners. Zip that up, and then I can put that in my bag, and then one, I don't have to worry about my keys being loose and might falling out, because they're going to be in this big thing, which you could even attach to the bag with this clip. And yeah, and it won't scratch anything within the bag as well, which I think is a good idea. I am going to change the colour of the carabiner clip, because I don't particularly want that pink one, not my fave. If I can take it off. Goodness. There we go. I might put the blue one on or something, maybe just the black. The black will go better, the black. But yeah, that is a little haul from Amazon today. The main thing I wanted to buy was this, because I am getting, as I said, getting a new wallet for my birthday, and I want to be using a bag that my birthday week, so that I don't want to scratch it, so I wanted this so that I could put my keys in it, basically. But yeah, that was the main thing, and some of the other bits, I wanted to buy these to do it. I suppose I didn't really need to, because you can clip your keys onto here and stuff if you really want to, but I thought having a carabiner clip would be so much easier to just take stuff on and off with. But yeah, and actually there is another function of this. I saw these bits at the back here are like slip pocket. Is there one on the other side? Yeah, so there's two like slip pockets in there, so you could potentially, if you really wanted to, use this as a wallet. You could, I'm not sure you could fit a card in there, but you can definitely fit cash down the side if you wanted to. That is an option. So there you go. And you could definitely, probably, actually, don't quote me, you could totally just fit some cards in here. You would just have to maybe do that, and they might fall out, but again, that could be a little wallet if you wanted to. But yeah, there we go. That is everything I got from Amazon. Let me know if you picked up anything from Amazon down below. Amazon isn't somewhere I tend to shop a lot, because yeah, I don't tend to really need to. I do find it a bit annoying, which they have got better since the last time, because when I used it this time it was all right. They're a bit sneaky in terms of trying to make you sign up for Prime and things, but yeah, I wasn't really going to find any of that anywhere else, especially at that price. This was £6. I probably could find these somewhere, but I couldn't really. Carabiner clips, I don't know, I suppose you can get those in like B&Q and something, but there we go. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you, so just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified, and also follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.